Good afternoon, this is Brad Langham, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 250 Harris Cruiser. We'll start up front. On the starboard side, you'll see a large settee. You have cup holders, chargers, under seat storage everywhere you look. Very, very large storage. On the port side, you also have another bench seat, also has storage, phone chargers, cup holders. Off to the port side, you'll see a very large wheelchair accessible door to the port side. Here you'll have two captain's chairs, swivel 360 degrees. You're gonna look over here, you're gonna have a Simrad GPS depth finder with all your gauges. This particular boat has a digital throttle and shift, tilt steering wheel, JL audio control for your stereo, wireless charger, and more charging ports. You look aft, you'll see this is an SL layout, so you have a single lounger. Back here in the back, you also have storage underneath. This boat comes with your fender storage as well as a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. That's it for the 250 Harris Cruiser. If you want to come by and see it, give us a call. Thanks.